What's up, Montfortians? My name is Ryan, also known as Racer in the world of esports. I'm a former Counter-Strike player and I competed in Counter-Strike from 2016 to 2019. I was also ranked in the top 50 players of last year and I was able to secure multiple top 6 placings within local tournaments. This year I was even crowned a national 2v2 Call of Duty champion that I actually earned with a fellow Montfortian as well. Honestly, I never thought that I would ever compete in esports because it was never my thing. But it's actually thanks to fellow Montfortians for dragging me into that world and pushing me to compete. As part of the Montfort initiative to promote esports within Montfort's culture, we will be hosting our first ever Mobile Legends tournament. Yes, it will be in the classic 5v5 format and there will only be limited to 5 players per team, so no substitutes allowed. Please apply to the QR code within this video and include all of your player IDs. The tournament will take place 2 to 3 weeks after the O-levels, but you're able to register anytime from now to the end of O-levels. There are a bunch of attractive prizes to be won, so please sign up so that you don't miss out. That's all from me, guys, and I'll catch you guys at the tournament.